On some occasions, you will be asked to bisect two given points, like that. Okay, so there are 2 points, and you have to have a perpendicular bisector. And what that means is dividing the distance between these 2 points exactly in half will be a straight line that meets this imaginary line at 90 degrees. So how you do that is this, very, very simple. You grab your compass, you set it so that it's at least just over halfway between the 2 points, so that's clearly over halfway. Now that I've set it, don't touch it. I tend to, when I do these, just touch the arm with the point on it, and then I just inscribe 2 arcs from each of these points. So here's how it looks. Put this smack bang on that cross in the middle, make an arc, make another arc, do the same to the other side. Just take my time, put it bang on where those two little lines meet. And there's one there, scribe a little arc on both of those larger arcs. And now all I have to do is draw a line segment which intersects with both of these points, that one and that one. Inscribe the line segment. And there I have the perpendicular bisector to these 2 points. And just to prove, well, not prove, but just to illustrate that it is meeting those at 90 degrees, if I was to inscribe a line joining those 2 points, you might more clearly see that, yeah, that is 90 degrees.